how to transfer FLOKI from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now, to be able to do that, make sure you are logged in first on Binance account, on your Binance account. Now, after that, head over to wallet icon and click on the spot option. Now, after that, as you can see, you can now be able to click on withdraw. And now from here, search for FLOKI like this. After you find it, just click on it. Now from here on to withdraw, to click on address. Now in the network, make sure to select between these two options. So if you have the BIP, you will pay just $0.65. So select BIP 20. Now go to Trust Wallet to be able to get the withdrawal address of the FLOKI. Now after you find it, just scroll down from here of this icon of these cryptos or coins. Now after you find it, as you can see, we have this token is under Ethereum network. So go back and change it to Ethereum. Now go back to Trust Wallet and open it. If you don't find the FLOKI or your coin here, now just go and click on search. Now search for FLOKI like this. So if you find it here, and because we we turn it on, now in the first that you will be able to find it, this option is turning off. Now just go for it, and like it will you will find it like this. This option is turning off. Now just turn it on to be able to add it to your home page on the Trust Wallet. Now after you find it here, just go for it and click on it. Now click on receive. Now so that, as you can see, proceed anyway, or as you can see from here, just click on it. And as you can see, just copy this address and now go back to Binance and paste it here. Now as you can see, now you'll be able to enter the amount that you want to like send. Now after you are ready to go, read all of this information and now click on withdraw, and you will be able to transfer FLOKI from Binance to Trust Wallet on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.